Okay, well, I prepped these examples and then I didn't use them when I was talking about return values and more specifically return value mismatches. But you could use this perhaps as a test to see that you understand what it is you're supposed to do when you call functions and what variable names are required, or how many really, when you call the function. So what you could do is pause this video. I'm adding these sample scripts that I'm using in the content videos to your session 8 zip files or session 9 zip files. So if you want to pull those down, you could test yourself, or you could just retype this. See if you can call R1, R2, and R3 correctly based on what you're seeing here. So pause the video and then I will show you the result. Okay, here's your solution. It's pretty simple. When you return a value from a function, we must assign it in the call. So on line 10, compare line 10 to line 2. Line 2 is returning one value and line 10 is assigning it to one variable. Now compare line 5 and line 11. Line 5 is returning two values. Line 11 is assigning to two variable names. Finally, compare line 8 to line 12. Line 8 is returning three values. Line 12 is assigning to three variable names. Of course, if you really wanted to, you could just say, myTup equals R3, and then maybe print myTup 1, 0, 1, and 2. That would be your prerogative if you wished to do it that way. If you didn't want to use the multi-target assignment, that would certainly be up to you. This will work in exactly the same way because, as we saw, when you return three values, or really when you express any values separated by commas without specifying brackets, you're actually returning a tuple. So you can assign that to a single name if you wish, or you can unpack the values to multiple names.